Hey drivers, ever been tempted to stretch that last quarter tank of fuel a little too far? We've all done it. But today, I'm here to show you why that shouldn't be ignored, and how keeping your tank filled can actually save you money, protect your engine, and keep you safer on the road. Let's start with your fuel pump, essentially the heart of your vehicle's fuel system. Driving regularly with your fuel level below a quarter tank can cause serious damage to this critical component. The fuel pump's job is to draw fuel from the tank and deliver it to the engine under high pressure. In most modern vehicles, this pump sits inside the fuel tank and is designed to be fully submerged in fuel. Why? Because the fuel itself acts as both a coolant and a lubricant. It helps dissipate the heat generated during operation and reduces friction on moving parts inside the pump. But when the fuel level drops too low, the pump may no longer be fully covered, causing it to run hotter and with less lubrication. This situation is similar to an engine running without enough oil. Overheating and increased friction accelerate internal wear, leading to premature pump failure. If your fuel pump fails, your car won't run, and replacing it can be both labor-intensive and expensive. Second, let's talk about what's lurking at the bottom of your fuel tank. And no, it's not treasure. Over time, it's perfectly normal for tiny particles, rust flakes, and other contaminants to settle at the bottom of your fuel tank. These materials accumulate slowly, introduced through fuel station tanks, aging fuel lines, or even condensation inside the tank. Your vehicle does have a fuel filter designed to catch these impurities before they reach sensitive engine components. But no filter is 100% foolproof, especially when it's hit with high concentrations of debris. Here's where low fuel levels become a problem. When your tank runs nearly empty, the fuel pump has no choice but to draw from the very bottom, where these contaminants are most concentrated. This can result in a clogged fuel filter, restricting fuel flow, and causing symptoms like rough idling, sputtering, or even engine stalling. In severe cases, debris can bypass or overwhelm the filter and reach the fuel injectors, precision components that are costly to replace and critical for clean, efficient combustion. Once your injectors are compromised, you're looking at reduced performance, lower fuel economy, and potentially serious engine damage. Now here's something most people don't think about: water in your fuel tank. Water in your fuel tank is a real problem, especially where temperatures vary and humidity is a factor. Your tank breathes, drawing in moist air, which always contains some amount of water vapor. When your tank is nearly empty, it holds a large volume of this moist air. As this air cools, water condenses and settles at the bottom. This can cause engine misfires, promote rust in your fuel system, and even freeze lines in colder conditions, potentially leaving you stranded. Keeping your tank full significantly minimizes this condensation risk. Finally, getting stranded due to an empty fuel tank isn't just inconvenient. It can be downright dangerous. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected traffic jams, detours, closed gas stations, or stretches of road with limited fuel stops can quickly turn a routine drive into a serious problem. Running out of fuel may leave you stuck in inconvenient or unsafe situations, whether that's being late for an important appointment, stranded on a busy highway, or in a remote area with poor cell service. Even worse, having to walk along the road shoulder in bad weather or at night to find fuel introduces serious personal safety risks. Refilling your tank before it gets critically low isn't just smart, it's a matter of safety. So, next time you're tempted to wait just one more day to fill up, remember, your fuel tank isn't just a container, it's a system. Keep it healthy, and it'll keep you moving. Hit that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips every week. Safe travels, and keep that tank above a quarter.